Hello, I'm a local Japanese. Today I'll share 10 must-buy 3COINS items in Japan. From compact travel accessories to viral beauty items and genius kitchen tools, 3COINS is full of products that make everyday life easier, cuter, and more convenient. I've carefully selected 10 items. Let's dive in. Number 1. Gadget. 3COINS offers a surprisingly wide range of affordable gadgets and tech accessories that are popular in Japan. Their gadget section combines simple Japanese design, useful daily functions, and budget-friendly prices, making it easy to try trendy tech items without spending too much. And I have 3 recommendations. The first one is mobile battery. 3COINS mobile batteries are affordable and stylish portable chargers designed for everyday use in Japan. Known for their simple design and practical features, these mobile batteries are popular among people looking for budget-friendly tech accessories. Most 3COINS mobile batteries are slim and easy to carry in a bag or pocket, making them perfect for travel and daily use. Even at a low price point, many models include useful features like USB-C compatibility, fast charging, or built-in cables. The cost is around 3,000 yen, $20, so highly recommended. The second one is wireless earphones. The wireless earphones are popular because they offer a great balance of affordability, stylish design, and everyday convenience. Many 3COINS wireless earphones feature trendy colors, transparent Y2K style cases, and compact minimalist shapes that look more stylish than typical budget earphones. They represent a very Japanese approach to technology. Compact, practical, cute, and affordable at the same time. The cost is 1,500 yen, $10. They are lightweight, trendy, easy to use, and perfect for travelers looking for cute and functional Japanese gadgets, so highly recommended. The last one is beauty appliances. 3COINS beauty appliances are surprisingly stylish, affordable, and practical. Many products are designed for beginners and everyday use, making beauty care feel easy and accessible. Their compact and portable designs are also popular with travelers and busy people. USB charging, lightweight bodies, and travel-friendly sizes make them convenient for daily use or trips around Japan. The cost is also the point. The cost is often between 1,000 yen and 4,000 yen. Despite the affordable pricing, the products usually feature modern designs, simple controls, and surprisingly useful functions, so highly recommended. Number 2. Travel items. 3COINS travel items are affordable and practical accessories designed to make travelers easier, more comfortable, and more organized. From packaging organizers and neck pillows to mini bottles and portable gadgets, 3COINS offers a wide variety of style travel essentials at budget-friendly prices. And I have 2 recommendations. The first one is slippers. 3COINS slippers are affordable and stylish indoor footwear designed for comfort and everyday use. Known for their simple Japanese aesthetics and practical designs, these slippers are popular for use at home, in offices, and while traveling. They come in a variety of materials, colors, and seasonal styles, making them both functional and fashionable. Some models are foldable or compact, making them convenient for travel, hotels, or carrying as portable indoor shoes. The cost is around 600 yen, $4. The slippers represent Japan's comfortable indoor culture while remaining affordable and easy to pack, so highly recommended. The second recommendation is compression packing bags. 3COINS compression packing bags are practical travel organizers designed to save space and keep luggage neat and organized. These bags allow travelers to compress bulky clothing such as jackets, sweaters, and shirts, making it easier to fit more items into a suitcase or backpack. Many models include separate compartments or dual-sided designs that help organize, clean, and use clothes during trips. The packs are lightweight and easy to carry, making them perfect for vacations, business trips, and weekend travel. The cost is 300 yen, $2. They are practical, compact, and easy to pack into luggage, so highly recommended. Number 3. Food items. 3COINS food products are popular because they combine Japanese flavors, stylish packaging, and affordable prices. The products often reflect Japan's attention to detail, seasonal flavors, and visually appealing packaging. And I have 2 recommendations. The first one is snacks. 3COINS snacks and sweets are popular because they combine unique Japanese flavors, cute packaging, and affordable prices. One of the biggest attractions is the original snack brand called Okashimo. This series includes popcorn, cookies, donuts, gummies, chocolates, candies, and other trendy Japanese-style sweets. Many products feature seasonal flavors and creative collaborations that make them feel special and fun. The cost is around 300 yen, $2. You can enjoy them because they reflect a very Japanese approach to snacks, cute presentation, unique flavors, attention to detail, and a balance between fun and quality. So, please check them. The another recommendation is curry. 3COINS curry products are popular because they combine authentic Japanese flavors, regional ingredients, and affordable prices. Some of their curries use Japanese-style ingredients such as sea bream broth from Nagasaki, creating a rich umami taste that feels different from typical Indian-style curry. Their Anything Goes curry series is designed to pair well with rice, noodles, bread, vegetables, and even mochi. Many products are ready-to-eat ready-to curries that can be heated quickly, making them perfect for busy lifestyles, small kitchens, or travelers staying in hotels or apartments. The cost is around 300 yen, $2, so please check them. Number 4. Kitchen items. 3COINS kitchen items are affordable and stylish everyday products designed to make cooking, dining, and kitchen organization easier and more enjoyable. From storage containers and cooking tools to tableware and compact appliances, 3COINS offers a wide variety of practical kitchen goods with simple Japanese aesthetics. And I have 2 recommendations. The first one is sponges. 3COINS sponges are popular in Japan because they combine practicality, affordability, and stylish design. Many 3COINS sponges are designed with smart features such as disposable sheets, built-in detergent, thin flexible materials, or silicone surfaces that dry quickly and stay cleaner than traditional sponges. Many products use simple neutral colors and minimalist packaging that blend naturally into modern kitchens. Even everyday cooking tools feel stylish and aesthetically pleasing. The cost is 300 yen, $2. They show how Japanese stores transform simple household items into clever, compact, and beautifully designed everyday products, so highly recommended. Another recommendation is tongs. 3COINS kitchen tongs are popular because they combine simple Japanese design, practical functionality, and affordability. Their tongs are often made with silicone tips and compact locking mechanisms, making them useful for cooking, serving, grilling, and everyday kitchen tasks. Like many 3COINS kitchen products, the tongs often come in soft neutral colors such as ivory or gray, matching modern kitchens and creating a clean aesthetic. Even though the products are inexpensive, many users feel the tongs are durable, lightweight, and surprisingly functional for daily cooking. The cost is 300 yen, $2, so please check it. Number 5. Cosmetics. 3COINS cosmetics are affordable beauty products designed for everyday use, combining trendy colors, simple packaging, and practical functionality. The brand offers a variety of makeup and beauty items such as lip products, eye makeup, makeup tools, skincare accessories, and beauty storage items with budget-friendly prices. And my recommendation is magnetic stick gel nail. 3COINS magnetic stick gel nail products are trendy gel nail items that allow users to create shimmering magnetic nail art easily at home. These gel polishes contain fine magnetic particles that react to a special magnetic stick, creating unique light-reflecting patterns and glossy effects. The products make it possible to achieve trendy cat eye or magnetic nail designs without going to a professional nail salon. The cost is 300 yen, $2, so please check them. Okay, that's the end of my video. I'm glad that you enjoy my video, and also I'm very glad that you like and subscribe. Comment is also welcome. I hope you'll have a great Japan trip. Thanks.